Hello everyone, welcome to May or English. My name is Rohit. Today is day 0. I am starting a 30-day English speaking challenge. My challenge is simple. I will speak English for at least 1 minute every day. I will record and upload this video without editing. No cuts, no perfection. I am not an expert. I am learning English just like you. I will make mistakes, but I believe mistakes help us learn. If you are shy, scared, or a beginner, you can join this challenge with me. Speak English daily, even for 1 minute. No matters on what topic you are speaking and how you speaking. What are you speaking? It's all doesn't matter. For now, bye bye all of you guys. See you tomorrow in day 1. Thank you.